90% of traders fail because they analyze the market wrong. Are you making the same mistakes? The what if you could predict the next big move before it happens? What if you had the insights that top investors use to stay ahead? Today, I'm revealing the proven strategies to analyze the stock market like a pro, spotting trends, predicting moves, and making smarter investments. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break down the market and outsmart the competition. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. The stock market is like an ocean. If you don't understand the waves, you'll drown. But if you do, you can ride them to massive profits. This is a bull market. Stocks are surging. People are making money, and everyone thinks they're a genius. And this is a bear market. Fear takes over. Prices drop, and people panic sell, usually at the worst time. The what if I told you there are secret signs that can tell you what's coming next before it happens. 1. Moving averages. Ever heard of the 50-day and 200-day moving average? When they cross, it's a game changer. To higher highs and lower lows, markets move in patterns. If you see this, it could mean a breakout is coming. 3. Volume spikes. Big money doesn't just whisper, it shouts. When volume spikes, something big is happening. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot these trends early before everyone else jumps in. If this is blowing your mind already, drop A in the comments and let's keep going. Imagine knowing exactly when a stock is about to explode before everyone else. Sounds impossible. It's not if you know these key indicators. The secret is hidden in the charts, and today, I'm giving you the cheat codes. Ever heard of the 50-day and 200-day moving average? When they cross, it's called the golden cross, and it often means a massive bull run is coming. But there's also the death cross, and when that happens, run. Ever bought a stock only for it to crash right after? That's because it was overbought. RSI tells you if a stock is too hot or ready for a comeback. Smart traders buy when others are panicking, and sell when the hype is too high. MECT is like a stock's heartbeat. It tells you if momentum is strong or weak. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, boom, bullish momentum. When it crosses below, that's your warning sign. Master these 3 indicators, and you'll never look at stocks the same way again. Which indicator do you use the most? Drop a comment below. The stock market is not just numbers, it's a battle of fear and greed. If you can read market sentiment, you can predict the next big move before it happens. Ever wonder why stocks crash for no reason? Or why a stock suddenly surges out of nowhere? It's not random, it's all about sentiment. This index tells you if investors are scared, time to be UI, or greedy, time to be careful. Green equals everyone's greedy, gives be cautious. Red equals everyone's fearful, gives opportunities everywhere. One tweet can send a stock flying or crashing. But here's the trick: by tracking news sentiment, you can see trends forming before they hit the mainstream. Use tools like Google Trends and Twitter sentiment analysis to see what's really happening before the crowd does. Smart money moves first. Watch hedge funds, insider trades, and unusual options activity because when the big players make moves, they know something. If you can track where the big money is flowing, you can ride the wave before everyone else jumps in. Market sentiment is like a crystal ball. Once you understand it, you'll never trade blind again. Drop A in the comments if you've ever seen a stock move based on hype alone. What if I told you 2024 could be the biggest year for investors in over a decade? But only if you know where to look. Major trends are forming right now, and if you miss them, you'll regret it. AI stocks dominated in 2023. But guess what? This is just the beginning. Companies like Nvidia, AMD, and smaller AI disruptors could see insane gains as AI adoption explodes. Want to find the next big AI stock before it takes off? Watch for companies leading in AI chips and software. Renewable energy set to skyrocket in 2024, thanks to government policies and rising demand. EV companies, solar energy stocks, and battery tech could see a major breakout. Keep an eye on Tesla and Phase Energy and emerging battery innovators. The world is shifting, and the stock market will follow. We've seen insane growth, but could 2024 bring a major pullback? History tells us that after big bull runs, markets tend to correct. The key is to be prepared, not scared. That means keeping cash ready, hedging your bets, and looking for recession-proof sectors like healthcare and defense. The question is, are you ready to capitalize on these moves? Drop A in the comments if you're betting big on 2024. and let me know which trend you think will dominate. Want to invest like the pros and stop making rookie mistakes? I've got 3 powerful strategies that will change the way you trade forever. 80% of market moves come from just 20% of stocks. Stop chasing every hype play, focus on the heavy hitters in high-growth sectors. Tech, AI, biotech, and renewable energy. This is where the real money is flowing. Insider buying, unusual options activity, and institutional moves tell you where the market is really headed. When hedge funds and insiders start loading up on a stock, they know something. Don't ignore it. Most traders lose money because they jumped in and out too fast. Instead, find strong companies, build positions, and let the market work for you. Patience equals profits. The best investors win by staying in the game long term. If you use these 3 strategies, you'll instantly be ahead of 90% of traders. Which pro tip blew your mind the most? Drop a in the comments. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and check out my next video on related topic. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of traders, but knowledge without action is nothing. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest stock you're watching right now? Let's talk strategy. And if you found even one valuable tip today, smash that like button. It helps more than you know. But wait, don't go yet. If you want to level up your investing game, click on this next video right here. Point to next video. I break down even more market secrets you need to know. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because I've got more game-changing insights coming your way.